Welcome back. In this section, we'll discuss about assignment operator as we have it here, and then we will also talk about string selection or string slicing. So let us quickly wrap up with the section of assignment operator to continue from where we stop. We have assigned 16 to A, 0 to B, and we say B plus equals to A. Now this statement B plus equals to A can be rewritten as, let me see, is the same as B equal to B plus A. Okay, B equals to B plus A. We are saying this statement here is same thing as this statement. Okay, so B plus equal to A means B equals to B plus A. Okay, let me write another one so that you get this very well. Now let me change this one to asterisk. Okay, B asterisk this equals to this plus times this. B divide equal to this, same thing as B equals to B divided by A. Okay, you can try all other ones again. Okay, so let me comment this out, control slash. Okay, so you can read this when you get the file, and this will motivate you to create more and more of that. Okay, so let's just examine the value of B plus equals to A now. So B plus equals to A. All right, so let us print our B out. So print B. Now don't forget that the initial value of B is 0 and the value of A is 16, and we are saying now B plus equals to A, and we have said from this place that B plus equals to A means that B equals to B plus A. So if the new value of B now will now be the initial value of B plus this A, which is 0 plus 16. So our answer here is supposed to give us 16. All right, so that is how we work around this. Okay, you can try for multiplication, try for division, try for addition and subtraction, the same process, the same way. Okay, there's no need to spend so much time on this one. So that's that about assignment operator. Try multiplication, try division, try modulus, try everything I have taught you on arithmetic operator here. So try them as assignment operator too. Okay, all right, let's move on to string. Okay, so we are talking about string selection. All right, there are several things to discuss about as far as string is concerned, because string is a very essential data type in any programming language, and then subsequently we'll be looking at the method, the inbuilt method for string manipulation, the strength of string slicing, as well as some method that can enhance our performance in working with string. Okay, but let's just start with string selection. So I'm going to comment this one and then change it to Magda. All right, then let us get started. So I want to initialize my string, and then I'll say variable name equal to Adebayo Johnson. Okay, all right, variable name is Adebayo Johnson. Don't forget I told you earlier in this section, previous section, that we can rewrite this using double quotation mark. It's no must that it has to be single quotation. I can say variable name 2. Okay, here I can change this one to double quotation if I want. I'll still get the same thing as the outputs. Okay, so if I say print name, okay, this will give me Adebayo Johnson. Can you see that? And then if I say print name 2, I'm still going to get the same thing. Now, can you see? Now, what's the difference? This one is encoded with single quotation, and the other one is encoded with double quotation. It's still the same thing. Now, let's see how we access our string. This is what we call substring in programming. I want to get some, substring within the original string. Yeah, now, the name of this string is Adebayo Johnson. So I'll be working with variable name. Okay, so to access, let's say, the first letter in this string, now all I need to do is to introduce square bracket, because string follow what we call zero indexing. Zero indexing means that the first value we assume the value of 0, we assume the index of 0, the second value we assume the index of 1, and so on. Okay, let's try this. If I say print, okay, name 0, watch this. This should give me A, alphabet A. Can you see alphabet A? Because I've told you earlier that it follows zero indexing. So it starts its index from the first value by supplying the index of 0. So this one is 0, this will be 1, and E will be 2. Let's try another one. If I say print 2 for me. Now 2 should give me, oh, I have changed something here. 2 should give me the third value here, because this one is 0, A, D should be 1, and E should be 2. Okay, so can you see now? That is this one for me, print 2, this give me number 3 letter. Okay, now what if I want to slice it further? Maybe I want to get only Ade. I want it to print Ade for me from this string. Now what do I need to do? I need to specify this, and then I'm going to say print for me all the way to, you can say column 3. Now column 3 means 0, 1, and 2, because this one will tell us that print for us all the index that are less than 3. That's what it means. So what are the index less than 3? 0, 1, 2. 0 is for A, 1 is for D, and 2 is for E. So let's see this one. Can you see I have Ade here? Okay, now what if I want it to print the last guy for me here, which is N? Okay, now all I need to do here is to use, what am I doing? Okay, all right, all I need to do here is to change this one to -1, like this. -1 means it's counting it from the back now, and the last value is the one that will participate, which is N. So if I run this, I'll get N. Can you see it? If I said -2, what am I supposed to get? I'm supposed to get O, this O. Okay, then if I run this now, I have O. Can you see? If I want to get this last 3 letter, son, now what do you think I should do? I can just say column, okay, column -3, like this. Okay, and then, oh sorry, what am I doing? No, that's not what I want to do. If I want to get this, I can specify ranges. Now how do we specify ranges? Let me start from the list one. Let's say I want to get bio. I want to extract only bio. I'll count like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what do I need to do? It's starting from, this one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2. I'm starting from 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll say 3 column 7. Okay, 3 column 7. So if I say 3 column 7, I run this one. Can you see I have bio here? Okay, it's as simple as that. So in that case too, if I want to get this SON alone, okay, if I want to get SON alone, I can quickly count like this. This is 0, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So can you try this one now? Get